Hi, I just wanted to share the Schwaben wall mount tire rack that I just installed today. It's pretty awesome. We just needed to get some tires off the floor because my honey's going to be picking up some new tires and wheels to replace on her beautiful Audi RS3. We're going to go with a different set of wheels, and we need to store more. We don't have a lot of space in the garage, so got the Schwaben tire rack over here. It's pretty slick. I just moved it out of the way because we don't need it right now. But, you know, we got an 8-foot ceiling here in the garage. And I just put it like, I put it about 8 inches down from the top of the ceiling downward. And I used their supply screws. They're about, I would say 2 inches. And you just find a stud and you just drill it into the stud. And then I used a magnetic balancing tool to level it. And then from here, the magic trick is measuring here from 46 inches. They say, 48 inches from hole to hole, but that's kind of hard to do since, you can't get the measurement over there. So I just measured 46 in from here to here. And I also cut a piece of wood. It looks like a redwood that I had just laying around, and then I just put some wood screws through the studs. And what was nice is that it ends up 46 worked perfectly because you can hit stud to stud. So all it is just to show you the details of this. The screw, there's a long bolt and it just screws into this handle. And then you just have a very strong hook over here that hooks over here and hooks to the chain, whatever size you want to lay this thing down to accept a majority of tire sizes. And it will fit. I tested already, but we put up all those tires just for fun. Those are 235s tires on 19 by 7.5. They're the Golf R's stock wheels. And when I racked it all the way over here, there was at least like this much space left. So, it said it can hold up to 10.5. So yeah, I didn't want it to mark up the wall, so that's why I put the wood here. But yeah, and then the tire would sit up along this bar. This bar is almost like 5 pounds. It's a very sturdy, full-size bar. So let me bring it down and show you what it looks like. Okay, and so I just brought it down. I put it about at 6 ring for what I set it up. 6 ring. I put on 7, and my 235 35 19 tire just wouldn't clear the ceiling. It would get stuck at the top. So I had to go 1 more ring down, and this is what it looks like when it's all the way down. And so the tires would just rack along on there. And it would fit a majority of tires. I don't know about like 275s or something on all, but they'll fit. Yeah, there's plenty of space and room. I set it down to the ground over here. It's probably about, from here it's about 5 feet 7 inches right here. I'm almost 5'9". I will hit my head on it, so I have to move a little bit. But I get on the driver's side and we always back in, so this is where we get into the car. And this side, I originally was going to mount it along this side, but I just have too many tools on this side that I need to use and need clearance. This one, I don't use this side as often. So that's a look at the Schwaben portable tire wall mount. Thanks for watching.